students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start with this expansion of a plus b plus c bracket square. Okay, we have already learned how to expand a plus b bracket square bracket cube, a plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, and a minus b bracket cube. So today we have this 3a, b and c also. So let's see how to do it. So first, a plus b plus bracket c and then square. Square means we can write this bracket 2 times. So I'm just going to write this bracket 2 times. Okay, and then as we do always, we are going to multiply by a to this whole bracket, then by b and then by c. So I am going to write just a multiplied by the second bracket plus b, because there's plus sign. So plus b, a plus b plus c, and now plus c into a plus b plus c. See, I hope you have understood till now. Okay, so a multiplied by a is a square, a multiplied by b is ab, and this a multiplied by c is ac. Okay, now similarly we are going to multiply by b to a first. So it will be BA. If you multiply by b to b, it will be b square. And if you multiply by b to c, it will be bc. Plus c to a is ca. C to b is cb. And if you multiply by c to c, you will get c square. Okay, easy? Yes. Now what we are going to do, we are going to write the square terms first. Okay, so a square, then second square term is b square, and the third square term is c square. Okay, and now we are going to write the other terms, ab. Now the terms which are having ab or ba are equal, right? Because we can write this AB as BA also and AB also. So I am going to write them to the side by side. So like this. Then AC and CA. Or you can write AC plus AC, because AC means CA and CA means AC. And the left is BC. BC plus CB. CB means BC. Okay. So again just write A square plus B square plus C square. Now AB plus AB will be 2AB. And AC plus AC 2AC. And BC plus CB will be 2BC. Okay, and that's it. It's very simple. Okay, I hope you have understood this, and I want you to write down. You can pause the video and write whatever is on the board. If you have not understood, you can go back and watch it again. Listen to it again. Okay, you'll understand. It's very easy. Now this is the example p plus q plus 3 bracket square. Now you know that a is equal to p, b is equal to q and c is equal to 3. And we also know the formula. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab, first ab, okay, plus twice bc, second two terms, and plus twice first and third term. AC. You know that the triangle, if this is A, B and C, then you can write like this: 2 times of AB, 2 times of BC and 2 times of AC. You can remember like that. Okay. So let's substitute the value of A. It is P square plus Q square, because B is Q, plus 3 square plus 2 multiplied by A into B, that means P into Q, plus 2 multiplied by B, Q into 3 plus 2 multiplied by P into 3. So this will be P square plus Q square plus 9, because 3 square is 9, plus 2 times of PQ plus 2 multiplied by Q is 2Q, 2Q multiplied by 3 is 6Q, plus 2 3s are 6P, and that is the answer of the question. Understood? So if you rearrange it, you will get to write it like this: P square plus Q square plus twice PQ plus 6Q plus 6P plus 9. Why I have written like this? Because 9 has